Don't wanna be with the weight hits last. Find me lost in the abstract. You're not like me. We're perfect strangers. Fly close to the sun. And I'm on from danger. We're oil and water. And the portrait never fits the frame. And I can't make it. Just give me a sign. Meet me in the middle. Meet me.
Guys, that was absolutely mental. Luke, you drove the shit out of it.
Yeah, it was fun. We're only allowed to go down once and do one hoop, and we weren't allowed to pop tyres, so we just drove it as we could within the conditions. But yeah, it was still fun, man.
Man, how good does it sound now with the side pods on it? Oh, and it pushed all the smoke out of the car.
That was ideal.
Well, a little bit of it.
Yeah, the back seat was quite good.
As someone sitting in the car, that was extremely controlled. It was awesome. Even the spin in at the end, we ended smack bang in the center of the square. Absolutely killed it. Smokebomba, turning tyres, great smoke, just how it should.